Okay, in the video you're going to notice the check engine light is on. That code is for the gas cap. I've changed the gas cap twice since I've owned it. It pops back on after a while. So disregard the check engine light and let's see how this does today. Alright folks, today's the day. Old Red's going to break 300,000 miles today. It's a good truck, still runs perfect. Great performance, no issues, regular oil changes, quiet, everything's still good with her. Today we break the 300,000 miles. Well folks, here it is. This is a big day. Gonna hit 300,000. Oh, it's been a good truck. I bought this truck from the first owner who bought it brand new, which is my father-in-law. I bought it with 248,000 miles on it. Done regular maintenance on it. Changed the sparkulators. Keep my oil changed twice a year. In the summer I run 2050. Castor oil 2050. In the winter I run a thinner oil. It's just been a good truck. Still gets the sticker that came on the truck. Still gets the sticker mileage between 16, 17 overall and up to 24 on the highway, depending on my trip. Usually gets about 20 on the highway, but it's been well worth it. I've been driving it for 6 years now, and I don't see anything wrong with it. It's quiet, doesn't seem to have any major problems. Occasionally needs a little maintenance issue. I did an alternator on it recently. You know, regular maintenance things, tires, brakes, keep up with all the maintenance. But yeah, it's just, I don't know how many miles it can go. I think if I had to ask myself, I'd say it could go another 300,000, but we'll have to see. But here we go. We got 2 miles. 2 miles. Going 2 more miles. Maybe anybody else out there hit the comments and tell me how many miles do you have on your truck. And also, as it's warming up this spring, I plan on driving this truck all over the country, so I don't have any issues with it. If I didn't see the mileage, I would think it's I wouldn't even know what to guess the mileage at. But I certainly would get in it and drive it across the country at any time right now, and have no qualms about it. There we go, 1.5 miles, almost to 300,000. But yeah, I'm curious how many other people have made 300,000 miles on their vehicle. The last car my wife had was a Ford Freestyle, and it made it 275,000 miles. Another thing that I do is I don't only occasionally, like going up a hill or through some mud or something like that, I very rarely let it get over 2,000 RPMs. So I don't beat on the truck. I don't take off fast from stoplights and try to race other people. I just kind of keep it around 2,000 RPMs or less, and I get 0 to 60 just fine. Don't have any issues. We're almost there. Almost there. I assume that, you know, for the most part, good maintenance will make most cars last a long time, and not racing stoplight to stoplight and stopping and going and just taking it easy on your car. It's got a 5.4 liter V8, so it's got plenty of power at under 2,000 RPM. Like 0 to 60, get on the highways, everything's pretty much normal. I'm just not racing it. It has no problem when I go over the mountains. It revs up to 5,000, 6,000 RPM sometimes going over the mountains. But yeah, it's here we go, 0.3 of a mile. that's kind of a, I don't know. Anybody else got a? This is a 2003 F-150, the 5.4 liter Triton. And here we go. As we pass the intersection, 300,000. There we go. Hey, happy birthday, truck. I'm just about ready for my oil change for the summer or spring, whatever you want to call it. And there you have it, folks. My 2003 F-150 has made it to 300,000. We'll talk to you later. This is Uncle B. We're out. Well, we'll see you in another 100,000 miles.